So
We are walking. We're gonna take the.
we're walking on the water,
Yes, we're gonna float.
going to that island.
So they will kind of
6:30 a.m.
with a nice sun.
So Diego, was it worth to come here?
Too scratchy, but it's okay.
Then today I went on this island, almost on the top. So I walked on the sea. Crazy, we didn't swim, I just walked. Now we're gonna have breakfast. So this has been our room for 2 nights.
Beautiful bed.
We didn't enjoy the mattress. The water was smelly, but not bad, not bad. So we're about to leave. 3rd day. We're gonna drive till the main city, Sumbawa Besur. Have lunch there, buy some food, and then proceed in the opposite direction where we are now to reach the hotel where we're going to spend the night and to see the whale sharks tomorrow morning. It's supposed to be about 5 hours drive in total. Let's see how long it takes us.
We are in Sumbawa, Besar. We are heading to Aquila Villa to go and see the whale shark. And in Sumbawa, Besar, we only have one. I know it's the restaurant. Yes.
Diego is afraid that we're gonna starve to death, so he got us breakfast. I persuaded him not to get us dinner here, but it was not easy. Diego is hungry. eat all in the street, and this is the result.
Kami tidak ini membeli. Saya ini habis.
The hero saving the day. So the first guy was not able to fix it. We moved 200 meters away to another one. Let's see if this one is gonna be able to fix it. We have been 3 hours here and still not done yet.
That I'm tired. It's time to eat nasi goreng.
Why you're tired? It only took 9.5 hours to arrive.
Spend 9 hours driving, fixing tires, finding the tire, fixing motorbike.